The market demand for pyrolysis equipment continues to grow, mainly driven by factors such as regional distribution, industry applications, technological innovation, and policy support. China, Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia are the main demand markets. As a global manufacturing center, China has strong demand for pyrolysis equipment in the fields of plastic recycling, waste tire processing, and biomass energy. Europe attaches great importance to environmental protection and sustainable development, and its demand is concentrated in waste treatment and energy recovery. North America is dominated by mature petrochemical industry, mainly industry and waste management. With the economic development in Southeast Asia, demand is growing, especially in the fields of plastic recycling and biomass energy. Technological innovation and cost reduction drive the efficiency and market popularity of cracking equipment. Support from environmental protection and energy policies, especially incentives in the renewable energy sector, further promotes market expansion. In the global market competition landscape, traditional large companies such as Sinopec, BASF, and Shell dominate, while emerging companies are gradually emerging through technological innovation and market segmentation. Overall, the pyrolysis equipment market has broad prospects and demand continues to grow.